How to enable sidebar in Realme phones. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on your device. Scroll down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on accessibility and convenience. Now on this page you will find different options. Simply tap on smart sidebar. Now scroll down. Now tap on smart sidebar. Now tap on floating bar. Now adjust the location or size. Now tap on left or right to select the position. Now go back to the home screen. Now swipe from the right. Now swipe from the left to access the smart sidebar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.